G'day collectors, we've got 3 brand new Ford Mustangs that I know that Dick Johnson fans will love. Let's get right into it. That's right collectors, we've got 3 brand new Ford Mustangs that I know that Dick Johnson fans will love. It's the 1/12 2022 Bathurst 1000 Gen 3 Launch Livery that Dick Johnson actually drove around the mountain in 2022. And we've also got the 1/18 scale Jet Couriers Liveries that Brodie Kostecki and Davison drove at the 2025 Taupō Super 440. If you guys are not new to the channel, then you guys know the drill. But if you guys are new to the channel, first of all, welcome. Basically, what happens is when we get a container full of models that are on their way to Authentic HQ, we also get a bunch of production samples that are air freighted over to us so we could do unboxing videos and product images and stuff like that. So yeah, enough waffling, let's get unboxing. And here they are, 3 brand new Mustangs. I'm going to start with the Jet Couriers cars and then we'll go with the big boy of the 2022 Gen 3 Launch Livery. So here is the Jet Couriers liveries. Obviously they were raced at the 2025 ITM Taupō Super 440. Yeah, DJR usually run obviously the Shell V-Power sponsors, but this time they had Jet Couriers. Now something cool about these liveries is this was actually Brodie's first podium and pole position with DJR since obviously moving over from Erebus. And he got it in race 9 and race 10, I believe. So that's pretty cool. And not to mention that Davison actually got a race 9 podium alongside Brodie. So that was really cool for DJR or Shell V-Power Racing Team. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's maroon instead of the classic Shell V-Power red. It's got New Zealand ferns all over it. It's got the Jet Couriers sponsors. And yeah, all in all, I think it's a pretty cool livery and it will definitely stand out in your collection. Both of these Ford Mustangs are die-cast with opening parts, so that means the bonnet and both doors. Brodie's is limited edition of 402 and Davison's is limited edition of 390. So when they arrive, get in quick because they will sell out pretty quickly. So here is our very first 1/12 Gen 3 Ford Mustang. And of course, we had to do it with the 2022 Bathurst 1000 Gen 3 Launch Livery. Obviously driven by Dick Johnson around the mountain. Now we are actually 3 years into having Gen 3 cars, so it's pretty normal to see a Gen 3 Mustang now. However, in 2021, they did announce the Gen 3 cars and that was actually this S550. But in 2022, Ford actually made the decision to swap the S550 to the S650. And in my opinion, it was a pretty good switch. I think it's pretty cool. There's like a slight gradient from like gray to white. Not sure if you guys own the 1/18th or the 1/43rd or not, but yeah, you can really see that gradient in this model. This is sealed body, but the amount of detail on this thing is incredible. It's definitely a must-have. It's a massive centerpiece for your collection. And yeah, I mean, the Ford Performance Blue sticks out, the gradient sticks out, the nice Mustang on the side sticks out. So yeah, this is definitely the model to get. Now this model is limited edition of 76 and the certificate is signed by Dick Johnson himself. So that's a pretty cool thing to own. Yeah, when this arrives, definitely get it because I think this is a pretty cool centerpiece for your collections. Now, one thing about this model is that the wing actually does come separate. But yeah, when you get it in the box, take it out, chuck it in the back of it. And yeah, it sits pretty nicely. Now, if you want to put blue tack or super glue, go for it. But I mean, it sits pretty nicely by itself anyway. Well, that was the unboxing of 3 brand new DJR cars. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you guys don't miss out on any future videos. Peace.